Alright, I have a 2002 Ford Explorer XLT. This is prior to doing a timing chain job on this. Full timing chain job. It's going to be a nightmare. 220,920 miles on this. It's November 6th. I'm not starting it tonight, but I just wanted to do preliminary checks on it tonight, and then I'm going to start it tomorrow when I get home from work. I'm just going to do this every night, a little bit when I come home from work, maybe some on the weekends. See how long it takes me. It should hopefully only take me about once again, 2002 Ford Explorer. We're going to go listen to the timing chain noise. Hopefully, after I'm done this job, we're going to have no noises. It's going to sound like a brand new car. So as you can hear, the chain starting to rattle. The driver's side is looking in. The side back, the worst. You can hear it. You can tell any day. So I changed this motor right now. When I have it apart, I'm going to change the other motor and pull the motor